Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by collecting seed topics that match your audience and strengths. Start with 5-10 ideas, then test them in YouTube search and Shorts feed to see immediate demand. Once done, check Google Trends for seasonality and rising queries to avoid stale terms. Make sure to log exact words viewers use; those become your raw keyword candidates. This step is fast but crucial. It frames everything that follows, so be thorough and prioritize relevance over hype. Now you expand and validate each seed. Use YouTube autocomplete, related searches, and free tag extractors to generate variations and long-tail phrases. Then compare search volume versus competition. Aim for mid-volume, low-competition phrases that fit 15-60-second content. Once you have candidates, watch the top shorts for each term and note hooks, pacing, and exact caption wording. Make sure to capture timestamps and thumbnail styles. They explain why those clips rank and what to copy or improve. Finally, refine and test your selected keywords with actual shorts. Pick 3-5 targets per week and build tight scripts that place the keyword in the title, first 3 seconds, and caption. Once uploaded, a /B test title phrasing, hooks, and hashtag combos to find what triggers clicks and watch time. If a short underperforms, do not panic, swap the keyword, or tweak the hook, then retest after 48-72 hours. That troubleshooting loop is how you scale consistent wins.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.